Micro web apps have become increasingly popular due to their simplicity and ease of use. These small apps are designed to perform a specific function, such as displaying weather information, providing news updates, or managing to-do lists. However, it is important to remember that users of the app must be able to access and use these apps. In this article, we will explore some key considerations for creating an accessible user experience for micro web apps. Consider accessibility from the start. When designing and developing micro web apps, it is important to consider accessibility from the outset. This means ensuring that the app is designed to be usable by people with a range of disabilities, including those with visual, hearing, and motor impairments. Accessibility should be integrated into the design process rather than added as an afterthought. Use clear and concise language. The language used in micro web apps should be clear and concise, making it easy for users to understand the app's purpose and functionality. Avoid using complex language or technical jargon that could be confusing to users. Use simple, easy to understand terms to describe the app's features and functionality. Provide clear navigation navigation is a critical element of any web app, and it is especially important for micro web apps. Users should be able to easily navigate the app and find the information they need. Make sure that navigation is intuitive and easy to use, and consider providing alternative navigation options for users with disabilities. Ensure visual clarity. Visual clarity is important for users with visual impairments. Make sure that the app has a clear, easy-to-read font and that there is sufficient contrast between the text and the background. Avoid using color as the sole means of conveying information, and make sure that any images or graphics are accompanied by clear alt text. Use accessible forms. Forms are a common feature of many micro web apps, but they can be difficult for users with disabilities to use. Make sure that forms are designed to be accessible, with clear labels, logical tab order, and appropriate keyboard support. Consider using ARIA, Accessible Rich Internet Applications, attributes to make the form more accessible for screen reader users. Test with real users. Finally, it is important to test the micro web app with real users. This will help to identify any accessibility issues that may have been missed during the design and development process. Consider working with accessibility experts or users with disabilities to ensure that the app is fully accessible and usable for everyone. In conclusion, creating an accessible user experience for micro web apps is critical to ensuring that all users can access and use these small but powerful apps. By considering accessibility from the outset, using clear language, providing clear navigation, ensuring visual clarity, using accessible forms, and testing with real users, you can create a micro web app that is usable by everyone. By creating accessible web apps, you're making technology more inclusive and helping to break down barriers for people with disabilities.